Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to import from Excel into ClickUp. Have you ever found yourself struggling with transferring your tasks and data from Excel spreadsheets into ClickUp? It can seem like a daunting task, but the good news is that it's actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly import your Excel data into ClickUp, making your workflow much more efficient. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing information, this process will help you get everything set up in ClickUp in no time. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to make this transition from Excel to ClickUp as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the top right corner of your ClickUp interface. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Imports/Exports option. Click on that, and then you'll see a button that says Start Imports. Click on it to get started. Now you'll need to select your source of import. For this tutorial, we're focusing on importing from a spreadsheet, so choose the Spreadsheet option. When working with spreadsheets, ClickUp generally requires the data to be in CSV format. So, if your Excel file isn't already in CSV format, make sure to convert it before proceeding. After selecting CSV as your format, click on Continue. Next, you'll come across a screen where you'll need to specify the format of your dates. For instance, if your dates are arranged in the order of month, day, and year, make sure to select that format to ensure everything syncs up correctly in ClickUp. Then you'll need to choose where exactly you want to import your tasks within ClickUp. This could be any one of your team spaces. You should see a list of your available spaces, so just pick the one that suits your needs best and click on Continue. Now it's time to upload your file. You have a few options here. You can either upload the file directly, manually enter the data, or use the convenient drag and drop feature. Let's say you decide to drag and drop your file. Simply drag your CSV file into the designated area and it will begin uploading. The file will then be extracted, which may take a few moments. After the upload, you'll need to review and confirm the mapping choices. This step is crucial because it ensures that everything aligns correctly. Go through each choice carefully, and once you're satisfied, click on Continue. You'll need to do this twice to proceed. Now everything is set to be imported. Click on Import into ClickUp and wait for the process to complete. If your spreadsheet contains columns with multiple values separated by commas, ClickUp will prompt you to handle these specifically. Otherwise, you can simply proceed by clicking Next. The import process will commence, and you just have to be patient while it completes. Once everything is done, ClickUp will send you an email notification confirming the import. You can then view your important tasks by clicking on Spreadsheet Import. If you wish to rename the imported project, click on the three dots next to it and select Rename. For example, you might rename it to Project 1 for easy reference. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported your Excel data into ClickUp, making your project management much more organized and accessible. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to import from Excel into ClickUp. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.